So you all are well prepared for your today's classes as well as your worksheets also? Good. And I appreciate that many of you are doing your work very neatly, but still some students need to improve their writing. Okay? So let's begin with our today's class. So when we are beginning with our today's class, in the beginning, ma'am always asks you two questions. Which are those two questions? Can anyone tell me? The day and date. Yes, you remember that. So now tell me, what is the date today? It's 24th July 2020. So what is the date? 24th July 2020. Yes. And what's the day? What is the day? Friday. Yes. Now tell me, ma'am is asking you questions and you are answering me. So what we call that? What are we doing? क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? मैम आपसे questions पूछ रही हैं and you are answering me the questions. So what's that? What we call it? We call it conversation. We are conversing with each other. We are talking to each other. So that is called conversation. Yes, it's called conversation. So now this is which period? पता लग गया आपको? Which period is this? On every Friday, our first period is conversation class. Yes, we talk with each other on some topic. Now tell me, what is today's topic? Can anyone identify it? Okay, I'll show you something. I have this, then I have this also, I have this also, I have something like this. So I'm showing you a lot of things here. Now can you identify what can be our topic of discussion or topic of conversation today? It's about colors. Yes. So today we are resuming with English conversation class and the topic is colors. What is today's topic? Colors. And what we are going to do, you all have to answer me about two questions. Only two questions, but for every color. And let's see which are those two questions. First is, which color is this? That means ma'am will show you some color and you have to identify it. Ma'am आपको कोई color दिखाएंगे, you have to identify which color is this. You all have completed your colors concept in environment studies. EVS subject में हमने colors का topic किया है भी complete. So that's it. That is the reason we are just conversing on this topic. Then the first question is, you have to identify the color. Clear? Now the second question. Can you tell something about any object of this color? यानी कि first thing is you have to tell us, or we are going to discuss, not tell, we are going to discuss about different objects of that particular color. और उसके बारे में फिर हम कुछ और ट्राई करेंगे नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए. And your today's homework will be, बता दूँ? Let it be a secret. I'll share it in the end. Okay. So let's begin with our class. Now let me check up with the first color. What is going to be? Okay. I'll close my eyes and I'm going to pick it one. Now which color? Okay. I got a red color. So I have closed my eyes और मैम ने टेबल पे से color pick करा and which color came in my hand? Red color. Yes. So which color is this? Red color. So this is the answer to our first question. हमारा first question तो हो गया. Which color is this? Red. Now can you tell me something related to this color, about different objects, about different things that are red in color? Can you tell me? Let's start like this. First you tell me about fruits. Any fruit which is red in color. Come on, answer me. Yes, and remember you have to answer in complete sentence form. You will not say only the name. You are going to tell, yes, the name of the fruit and then you will say this fruit is red in color. Okay. Like this, you have to answer me in a complete sentence form. You will not only say the name of the fruit. So let us see fruits. We have apples. Apples are red in color. Cherries are red in color. Then we have strawberries. Strawberries are also red in color. Any other fruit which you find red in color? One more fruit is there. Just think of it once. Pomegranate. Yes. आपने देखा है pomegranate? Have you ever seen a pomegranate? Yeah. If I associate it with Hindi word, that is anar. So this pomegranate or anar, what is the color? जिसके अंदर के seeds हम खाते हैं, what is the color? Red color. और उसकी peel भी देखा है आपने? What is the color of that peel? Red color. Yes. Okay. These are fruits. Now can you tell me one flower which is red in color? Very beautiful flower. It has a very sweet fragrance. बहुत अच्छी fragrance होती है उसकी. So can you tell me a flower name which is red in color? Rose. Yes, rose flower is red in color. Okay. Now if I ask you another question, any object in your surroundings which is red in color. Just now you might have done a fun sheet book also where you have colored red. Yes, class, come on. If you have done your work. Letterbox. Yes, you have colored the picture of post office. So post office is also red in color. Then we have letterbox. That is red in color. Then mail van. Now can anyone tell me what is a mail van? A van which carries our letters, our cards and parcels from one place to another. That is called mail van. This mail van is also red in color. Okay. So anything in your kitchen? I gave you one example in your kitchen which is red in color. If you remember, come on. Hurry up, answer me fast. खाना बनाने के लिए mama use it and that thing is gas cylinder. Yes, so gas cylinder is red in color. You remember that? Okay. Any insect which is red in color? बहुत सारे insects होते हैं. We have ladybug. Ladybird देखी है आपने जिसके ऊपर black dots होते हैं. We did pasting activity also. Ladybird हो गई. Then we have cockroach that is red in color. So there are a lot of insects also which are red in color. Now moving to the next color. Let me pick a new color. Okay, I'll close my eyes and I'll search on my table which color I'm going to bring now. Okay, I have got blue color. Oops, sorry. So which color is this? Can you tell me which color is this? It's blue color. Yes. So blue color. Now tell me about this blue color. Anything which is blue in color? Tell me. The first question is which color is this? So sorry, इस बार नाम ने बता दिया. Next time I will not do that. Okay. So which color is this? Blue color. It's blue. Okay. Now can you tell me something which is blue in color? Yes. A fruit. Small fruit होता है छोटा सा. बड़ा tasty भी होता है. It's very yummy in taste. Can you tell me about that fruit? Berries. Yes. Blueberries. They are blue in color. Okay. Very good. And anything else we can see blue in color in our surroundings. And if we are talking about environment, तो environment में blue color कहाँ होता है? Environment is all about our surroundings. So can you tell me blue color in your surrounding कहाँ मिलेगा हमें blue color? Up in the sky. Yes. So sky is blue in color. So how do we remember? Up in the sky. So sky is blue in color. Okay. Something in the sky is also blue. Can you tell me that? When it is about to rain, तो क्या आते हैं? करके क्या चीजें आपस में फाइट करती हैं? Clouds, yes. So clouds are basically somewhat white in color. Sometimes they are bluish in color and sometimes they are gray in color. So cloud is also counted as blue color object. Clear everyone? Because whenever we are making any drawing, आपने देखा है हम जब भी कलरिंग करते हैं, we make drawings and we color, we always opt a blue color cloud, isn't it? Blue color clouds are very pleasant. बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं because when the sky is cloudy ना, ठंडी ठंडी हवा चलती है, cold breeze keep flowing, वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमें, है ना? Then anything else blue in color, something which we wear, something that we wear. Yes, come on, hurry up. We have blue color denims. Denims are like jeans or denim jackets we have. So those are blue in color. Anything else we have blue in color? Yes, come on, tell me. About birds and animals I'm talking. Any bird or animal blue in color? Yes, we have done about fruit also. We have done about sky, clouds. We have done about clothes also. So any bird or any animal blue in color, can you tell me something? The blue jay, yes, the bird. A very famous bird and the name is blue jay, जिसका नाम ही blue color से start होता है. And this is blue jay. मैम ने आपको बताया था ना, बहुत cute होती है. She is very friendly. But if anyone is torturing her, जब कोई उसे परेशान कर रहा है, और if anyone is teasing her, तो फिर ये तो उसको बीक से मार मार के परेशान करके रख देती है. Clear everyone? तभी तो मैम कहती है डोंट इरिटेट एनीवन. कभी किसी को परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए, मम्मा को भी नहीं, पापा को भी नहीं, क्योंकि जब आप मम्मा पापा को परेशान करते हो, लगता है नहीं, मम्मा डांट भी लगाती है, isn't it so? होता है ना ऐसे. Then same, अगर आप डॉग को परेशान कर रहे हो तो what happened? Dog barks on you. Same is with this bird also. If you are not creating any problem for the bird, उसको आराम से रहने दे रहे हो, उसको आप परेशान नहीं कर रहे हो, बर्ड भी आपको कुछ नहीं कहेगी. अदरवाइज जो बर्ड की बीक होती है ना, द बीक विच दे यूज टू ईट फूड, वो उससे ना ऐसे मारते हैं जोर जोर से, और फिर तो बस चोट लग जाती है बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? कभी किसी को परेशान नहीं करना है. ओके, गुड. सो नाउ yes, I'm talking about animals also. So bird we have done. Any animal blue in color? Aquatic animals, हमने आपको बताया था ना, जो वाटर में रहते हैं. Yes, और वाटर ब्लू कलर का क्यों होता है? Remember, you remember I told you why water is blue in color? Because of the shadow of sky. Sky की जो shadow होती है वो water में आती है. Otherwise water is not blue in color. We all drink. तो हम क्या ब्लू कलर का पानी पीते हैं? नहीं ना, we don't drink. Water is colorless. उसमें कोई कलर नहीं होता. But when we are coloring there, या हम कभी बीच पे जाते हैं, हमें ब्लू शेड नजर आती है, दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ स्काईज शैडो. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट कलर. अब मुझे याद रखना है कि मैं आपको कलर नेम नहीं बताऊंगी. ओके, सो नाउ अगेन आई एम क्लोजिंग माय आईज एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पिक वन मोर कलर. something what is coming. Okay, let me check one more color. Yes, I got one. Now what is this? Wow, what a pretty color. So now you are going to tell me which color is this? So answer to the first question. Which color is this? It's yellow color. Very good. So which color is this? It's yellow. Yellow color, yellow color. Very good. We got you. Okay, now tell me something about yellow color. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं येलो कलर में, तो बहुत सारी. We have lot of fruits, we have lot of things, objects, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. So come on, start telling me and we are going to start from top. Top means up in the sky. Sky blue होता है, लेकिन sky में कुछ yellow भी होता है. Just think of it. क्या होता है sky में yellow? Can you tell me about that? Sun. Yes, very good. So you all have started thinking it that way. Very good. So sun is yellow in color. Anything else which is yellow in color? Anything? कुछ भी बता दो आप मैम को yellow color का. Okay, let's talk about fruits. Yellow color fruits. Yes, come on, tell me. Mango. Yes. And what is the other name of mango? Mango को हम और कैसे बोलते हैं? आम बोलते हैं, mango बोलते हैं. But there is something we use for mango also. If I ask you, which fruit is known as king of fruits? King of fruits कौन सा fruit है? Mango. Yes. So mango is referred as the king of fruits. अब मैम आपसे पूछती हैं, आपने king of fruit खाया आज? That means which fruit I'm asking you about? I'm asking you about mango. Yes. Okay. Now other things which we can eat and are yellow in color. Come on, tell me. बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, हमें सबको अच्छे लगते हैं. The two things which I am asking you, ये तो सबके favorite होते हैं, सबके, each and every one. One is butter. Yes, you all love to eat butter. चपाती के साथ बटर खाना है, ब्रेड के साथ भी बटर खाना है ना? मम्मा पराठा खाना है तो बटर और सॉस दे दो. Because you don't want to eat vegetables, isn't it? So butter is yellow in color. Then we have cheese. Yum. चीज का नाम लेते ही तो पिज्जा बर्गर याद आ गया है ना? I know that. Yes, I know that. So cheese is also yellow in color. You have seen that? Okay. Then when we want to make lemonade, जब हमें शिकंजी बनानी होती है, so what we need? We need a yellow color fruit, or you can call it a vegetable also. It is denoted in both. So what we need? We need lemons. You remember lemon चाहिए होता है हमें. So what is the color of lemon? Yellow. Lemon मतलब नींबू. नींबू yellow होता है ना, तो lemon is yellow in color. Then anything else? One flower which is yellow in color. आपने एक object बताया, उसी की तरह एक flower है. Sunflower. Yes, sunflower is also yellow in color. Anything else? येलो कलर में और बताओ क्या होता है? Yes, come on, tell me fast. Now rainy season is going on. We all love to eat bhutta. And what we call it? Corn cob. What we call it? Corn cob. तो जब हम corn cob को peel कर देते हैं, what is the color of those corn kernels? या if you eat sweet corn, जो निकले हुए kernels होते हैं, if you eat that, what is the color of that kernel? Corns. What is the color of that corn? Yellow. Yes. So corn is also yellow in color. Corn cob is also yellow in color. तो हमें एक और yellow object मिल गया. Anything else which is yellow in color? Come on class, hurry up. Tell me something about yellow color. Some more object. So one fruit I have shared with you, mango. Can you tell me one more fruit? Mango is having one seed in it. उसमें गुठली होती है. But I'm talking about a fruit which don't have any seed. It's a seedless fruit and it's yellow in color. So can you tell me which fruit I'm talking about? बस उसको peel करा और फटाफट से खा लिया और बहुत सारी एनर्जी आ गई. Banana. Yes, I'm talking about banana. So banana is also yellow in color. So you have understood about associating these colors with different objects in your surroundings. Clear? Now your homework. So what is your homework is? I'll just tell you. So your homework is you have to tell which is your favorite color, which is your favorite color and tell me something about your favorite color. That is, you can make a small video as you are sharing. I like that very much. So share a small video of about a minute in which you have to tell about your favorite color, and you can also make something like this showing your favorite color and telling something about it, about objects, about different things we have in that color. Is that clear to all of you? I hope you have understood our today's class. So now get prepared for the next class. Bye.